How to process a refund in Temu without returning the item. The first things first is you need to decide whether you will be using your mobile phone or through your laptop. If you're using your laptop, go to their website and type in temu.com. You log into your account and then this will be your interface. The first thing you want to do is you need to read the return and refund policy first if you qualify for this process. Now, once you understood all the policies, you need to click on support and then chat with Timo. Then you just simply type in, can I get a refund? And then you select the order or the item that you want to have a refund with. Um, you'll need to negotiate with the customer support for you to be able to get the refund without returning the item. So that is how you'll get, or that is how you process a refund on Timo without returning the item.